Google has unveiled Gemini 2.0 Flash, a groundbreaking experimental model that's revolutionizing image generation and editing. This powerful multimodal AI system can understand and manipulate images, video, audio, and text simultaneously, offering capabilities that rival professional editing tools like Photoshop, and you can access it completely free. Getting started is simple. Just head to aistudio.google.com, create a new prompt, select Gemini 2.0 Flash Experimental under the Preview section, and choose Images and Text as your output format. What makes this model special is its incredible versatility in handling various image-related tasks. One of its most impressive features is how you can edit existing images with incredible precision. You can remove backgrounds, change colors, add or remove objects, and even modify facial expressions. Want to remove someone's glasses, change a tie color, add a cigar to someone's hand? Gemini 2.0 Flash handles it all with surprising accuracy. You can even transform your old black and white photos into colored ones while removing scratches and imperfections, essentially breathing new life into your family archives. The model excels at creating complex scenes from scratch. You can generate everything from political figures in various settings to birthday cards with custom designs. What's particularly impressive is how it maintains consistency across modifications. When you ask it to change a scene, it preserves relevant details while accurately implementing your requested changes. Gemini 2.0 Flash shows exceptional capabilities in handling text within images, a traditional challenge for AI models. You can generate images with accurate, readable text, whether it's handwritten on a blackboard or displayed on a banner behind a plane. This feature is perfect when you're creating educational content, marketing materials, or social media posts. The system also shines at creating sequential content. If you're creating a recipe, tutorial, or storyboard, you can generate step-by-step visual guides where each image maintains consistency while clearly illustrating the progression. This makes it an invaluable tool whether you're a content creator, educator, or professional looking to explain complex processes. One of its most impressive features is character manipulation. You can modify expressions, add or remove people from scenes, and even create interactions between different individuals. While it occasionally struggles with maintaining perfect consistency when combining multiple real people, you'll generally get convincing results. For your design and marketing needs, Gemini 2.0 Flash offers powerful tools for creating logos, product placements, and marketing materials. You can generate professional-looking designs and seamlessly integrate products into existing images, though you should be mindful of ethical considerations and proper permissions when using celebrity images or branded content. The system also excels at environmental modifications. You can transform day scenes into night scenes, add spectacular elements like the Milky Way to backgrounds, or populate empty venues with crowds. These capabilities are particularly useful if you're planning events, visualizing real estate projects, or working on creative projects. While the technology is groundbreaking, it's not without limitations. You'll find it heavily restricted in certain areas, particularly with celebrity faces, explicit content, and potentially controversial subjects. It occasionally struggles with complex face combinations or maintaining character consistency across multiple edits. Despite these restrictions and imperfections, its capabilities are continuously improving, potentially transforming how you approach image creation and editing, whether you're a creative professional, business owner, or just someone who loves sharing photos on social media. What are your thoughts on this revolutionary technology? Could Gemini 2.0 Flash change how you approach photo editing and content creation? Share your opinion in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest AI developments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.